Incident management. In our real life, how we come across different kinds of incidents and its corresponding solutions, the same is in application flow of software. A user is raising an incident means there is an issue in the application flow. We need to identify that, we need to solve that, and we need to inform the user back with the resolution, proper resolution. The steps, what are all the steps of incident management? The first step is acknowledgement of incident, acknowledging the incident. As and when we receive an incident, immediately, with no doubt, with no question, we have to acknowledge the incident with the available options like work in progress or acknowledged or acknowledgement. These some kind of options, different options for different tools. We need to immediately acknowledge the incident. Means we are informing the user immediately as and when an incident is coming into our queue, saying, dear user, we are looking into the issue or we are working on the issue. Something like that with a general message. Even with no message, even with simply with that option also, if you acknowledge, that is an indication that we started working on that. Whatever that issue, whatever the issue and the incident or the priority, whatever, the first step is acknowledgement. The second thing is we need to screen the incident and we need to identify it belongs to our scope or it's out of scope. If it is out of scope, then we need to immediately redirect to the corresponding responsible team, a responsible application team or whatever. If it is a common layer, something like administration, Unix administration or database administration is common to all the applications, we need to redirect. The third thing is, if it is belongs to our scope, then we need to analyze the incident in our scope, which business flow it belongs to, which application business flow or which flow okay it belongs to. So we need to identify that flow and we need to go to that flow and we need to see where it is giving the issue, and it belongs to database or it belongs to or something like that, it's front end like that. We need to identify that corresponding solution need to find, issue need to be traced, and with the proper resolution we need to identify and we need to provide the resolution code and with all the options to the user, saying, dear user, the solution for the incident is so and so, it is the root cause, incident is because of this, something like that. If that incident needs a fix, then we need to raise the fix, we need to raise the defect, and we need to work on, and we need to inform the user about the corresponding incident and the corresponding defect which we raised, like that. So we need to close the defect with the proper solution. So that is how we need to proceed with incidents. It is only a very normal short description. We can come with a detailed steps and the flow of incident management. Thank you.